Magandang gabi po at narito na ang resulta nating 9 PM Visas o Lottery Results today. Ngayong araw po ng Sabado, May 16, 2026. At para po sa draw natin ngayon ay ang Grand Lotto 655, ang Lotto 642, ang 6D Lotto, ang 3D Lotto, at ang 2D Lotto. At para po sa ating 6D Lotto, 8, 4, 8, 1, 4, and 3 in exact order. And for Lotto 642, sa winning combination na 7, 28, 26, 32, 25, and 12. For the jackpot price of 14,559,320 pesos and 23 centavo in any order. At para po sa update ng Lotto winners, ipinopost ko po siya under our comment section. And for Grand Lotto 655, sa winning combination na 9, 6, 19, 46, 39, and 48. For the jackpot price of 104,852,560 pesos and 66 centavo in any order. And for 3D Lotto, 9 PM draw, 3, 6, and 8 in exact order. And for 2D Lotto, 9 PM draw, 3 and 6 in exact order. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panood.